Hello everyone, I'm Rafael.
And I'm Thanasis.
And we are one of Kiwi.com World Travel Hiker Duos. And we are
In Paris!
Paris! So we used Kiwi.com app to book our flight from Thessaloniki to Paris for only 23 euros. During our flight, we read an article of Kiwi Stories on top things you can do in Paris for free. And we are going to do all of them, because we're cheap. On a budget. Our first stop is the Passages of Paris. Paris has 21 passages with glass roofs that host very charming independent businesses such as bakeries, second-hand stores, and things like that. They have a very unique atmosphere and you can get a glimpse of 18th, 19th century of Paris. And of course, it's free! Next thing on the list is to join a free walking tour. We chose a downtown city tour, but there is a variety of themed tours you can choose from. Whichever you opt for, you will definitely get a better understanding of the city's main attractions.
It's famous. The top 5, I'd say. So they started constructing the Notre-Dame in 1163.
And it's a very nice way to meet other travelers, especially if you're traveling solo.
Where do you come from? New York. Hello, welcome. Hi. Prague. Hello, welcome. Mexico. Hello, welcome Mexico. Malaysia, hello.
Next on Kiwi Stories suggestions is to visit a museum. We were surprised to find out that many museums in Paris are free for EU citizens under 26. We opted for the Modern Art Museum. It is very well organized, it has a variety of artwork, but most importantly, it's free. We then headed to the town hall of the 8th arrondissement. In the article, it's mentioned that every Thursday there is a free concert at 1 p.m. But... So there are no free concerts on July or August. Free concert? No free concert. We then stopped for a quick coffee where we paid with our mobile Visa card. Easy and contactless.
Rafael, say thank you to Visa.
Thank you, Visa. We then moved to the best view in Paris. That's in the terrace of Galeries Lafayette. It's basically a shopping mall, but you can get to the rooftop for free. Oh, that's cool. And check out this view. You can see the Eiffel Tower, the Opera Garnier, the Notre-Dame. It's amazing. Why would you go to the top of Eiffel Tower? It's expensive and you cannot see the Eiffel Tower. The next one is a bit spooky. It's the cemetery of Montmartre. It's an unusual choice for sure, but Paris has some wonderful cemeteries with ancient trees that give a very peaceful sense. Here, same as other cemeteries in Paris, are buried many famous people, from politicians to artists, royal family members. And although they have a map, it's very difficult to track down the tombs of the famous people, because there are so many tombs. So it's interesting to try to. Last thing on Kiwi Stories article is to wander around Saint-Martin Canal. You can see local people fishing, strolling around. It was definitely a very pleasant walk and the best way to finish our day. And everything was totally free. So here's your proof that you don't need to spend loads of money in order to enjoy your trip. Just appreciate the little things and plan your travels wisely.